How to fix Instagram story, sticker, frames, or Polaroid not showing. So if you want to fix your Instagram story, stickers, frames, or Polaroids not showing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Now scroll all the way down, and here you will have help option. Tap on help, tap on report a problem, and tap on report problem again, and tap on don't include. And here you need to write that hello Instagram team, I'm facing a problem with the story, sticker, frames, or Polaroids not showing in my Instagram, so please help me with that problem. And once you've written or once you've typed that, you need to go with send, which is on the top right. And after that, within 24 hours, Instagram will reply you and your problem will be solved. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.